Welcome to Take 5. I'm Stephanie Neal, and since I just got back from PAC EXPO East, I wanted to share some of the news I found that will help manufacturing as well as solve some workforce-related issues. First, let's talk about an MIT startup called Tutor Intelligence. They were demonstrating a collaborative robot performing a pick-and-place application that was grabbing different varieties of wrapped candies. So the key here is the company's vision software, which allows the cobot to learn complex environments for kitting, feeding, and packing. It does this by using an engine that combines human intelligence and artificial intelligence. This type of human-in-the-loop machine learning allows the engineers to interact directly with the machine and give feedback so that the algorithm learns the environment. The founders of Tutor say this means there is no custom programming and the system is easy to set up. The bigger benefit, however, is that these robots are available in a pay-by-the-hour leasing plan. This may solve staffing problems by bringing in a cobot to replace a human on the line without a big capital investment. The founders told me that this drop-in automation is setting the company up to be more of a robot staffing agency. So with the theme of making programming easy, we move on to another big story from Copia Automation. This company is working on bringing modern source code control to industrial automation. The concept of DevOps has been used for 15 years in IT to deliver applications faster than traditional software development can. And a key part of that is the use of Git, an open source tool that maintains data integrity while coordinating work among programmers developing code in parallel. Copia CEO Adam Gluck, who founded the company in 2020, says the reason Git has not taken hold in the industrial space yet is because PLC programming languages are visual and don't work well with Git. Until now, that is. Copia builds ergonomic workflows on top of the tool so that it works with these industrial control languages. And some of Copia's users are saying this tool is bringing visibility and change management while saving hours of work per engineer each week. Finally, I wanted to talk about Xyntek, an engineering business that serves the life sciences and medical device industries. During PAC EXPO East, Xyntek was demonstrating a system it calls line clearance assistance. With more specialized medications hitting the market, production lines are used for smaller product runs and are changing more often, and this increases the risk of stray products, contaminants, and incorrect labels entering the manufacturing and packaging lines. And that increases the risk of a product recall. This is also a very manual process. Operators need to confirm that the line is 100% clear. So Xyntek's line clearance assistance tool automates this using a series of cameras. Here's Xyntek's VP of Sales, Matt Thompson, talking a bit more about the technology.
So what we've done at Xyntek and CXV Global, we've created our line clearance assistance solution that uses a host of cameras to make sure that the line is completely clear before you run the next batch. We've made it quite simple that, in some cases we might deploy a dozen or 24 cameras to ensure that all the areas on the line are clear. In other cases, we deployed up, 100 or more cameras to, again, make sure there is no residual material left over from the previous batch. And the key is it takes that line clearance process from maybe 15 minutes, half an hour, or sometimes even longer, down to just a few minutes.
In addition, there's a visual record to prove the line is completely clear and ready to manufacture the next batch, Thompson told me. You can find more news from PAC EXPO East in the links below. That's it for this edition of Take 5. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.